Hi, good people. Nice to meet you again. Let's come and join us here today. Balloon Kids, the channel. We'll show you how to make beautiful flowers with balloon twisting. This is the sample, and we use the purple for the flowers and also one piece of a green color. Start twisting with the purple and make it a small bubble and continue to the other side of a fingers bubble size about 4 or maybe 5 fingers. So after the fingers bubble, we make also with the small bubble, and that we will twist that together, or we tie the nozzles in between of the small paint strings. Next, with the small bubble, fingers bubble about 4 to 5 fingers. Yeah, across that. So the third one we push that in between of the first and the second twisting. Okay, we twist the fingers bubble that into the small paint twist into the small bubble on the top. So here we have 6 pieces, and this is the 7th for the fingers bubble. The rest of this balloon we can discard, and don't forget to tie the balloon. Look the twisting by tie or twist the rest of the balloon in between of the fingers bubble. And still with the purple color, so we tie the nozzles into the end of this balloon. You make the fingers bubble in the other side, and we need that about 3 or maybe 4 fingers. Still with the fingers bubble, and we make a fingers bubble as well. Okay, so for everyone, you just need to stay tuned and pay your attention to the details of the twisting. Like you see here, we make a circle, but make it with the fingers bubble in 3 pieces. Okay, and now we are going to twist that. Okay, so far just like that. And to end of this balloon, we discard. Don't forget to tie the balloon to lock the twisting. Alright, so far just like that for the flowers. And make sure you lock the twisting. And please just click the thumbs up below this video during you enjoy the video in my channel. The next is a yellow color here, and this one just make a small bubble, then twist that, make it in a small size. Okay, we have done for the yellow color, and now we are going to tie the yellow into the purple. Okay, so after the flowers, we are going to make for the stems, and the stems we use that with the green color. Start make for the fingers bubble in 4 fingers for the size. Okay, so just like that, we need to make the size in the same. So after we make the twisting, and then we can twist again for 2 pieces of loop twisting. Then now for the stem we can bend like the video show you. You can make the same thing. And for the next we are going to twist for the flowers with the stems. Okay, so this is the beautiful flowers with the balloon twisting. I hope you get yours. And thank you to join us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support. Just like the video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so thank you to join us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support. Just like the video and subscribe my channel. Then we'll see you again. Thank you and bye bye.